All right, today's lesson, properties of parallelograms. First shape we're looking at with the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. You really roll that R. What makes a parallelogram? Oh, good question. Shoom. Didn't go. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then ... Number one, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Number two, opposite sides are congruent. Number three, opposite angles are congruent. Interesting. Number four, consecutive angles are supplementary. Oof, it's a big word. And number five, diagonals bisect each other. In order for it to be a parallelogram, all of these have to be met. You're writing those down. If you got to keep writing them down, hit the pause button right here on your screen. It's the pause button. It's not going to work. Don't even try. All right, moving on. Onward and upward. Let's talk about what this looks like. So, draw this diagram for me. Okay, well done. So, in order for it to be a parallelogram, well, we need to have right? That's parallel. Those are parallel. What else do we need to have? I do believe we need to have, got a lot of markings on this, congruent opposite sides. With that concept of congruency, I do believe that opposite angles would be congruent. Crazy. And what else do we have? We're going to change the color up here. The diagonals, right? There's something about diagonals, right? The diagonals bisect each other, which means those two would be congruent and those two would be congruent, right? Let me think. Yes. And what's the last one? Good. At angle N plus angle Q equals what number? 162? No. 180 degrees Fahrenheit. No. Not Fahrenheit. And that would probably also mean that angle O plus angle P equals 180 as well. Those two angles are, good, supplementary. Good. So, parallel, this down here, see this? That represents parallelogram NOPQ. NOPQ, or parallelogram NOPQ. Clockwise order to identify it. Moving on. Last thing for today. Holy cow. What is all this stuff going on here? Find the variables of the following parallelograms. Holy crap. It's a tough one. I don't know the answer. I do actually. You're going to supply it to me on the online quiz, which you'll have. It'll say, what does X equal? What does Y equal? And what does Z equal? You'll have to match them. Go to the online quiz right now. Peace. I'm out.